Hey, this is Kristen with Collision Hub, and we're back at the CCC booth to talk a little bit more about their mobile innovations, making your shop easier, more mobile, more fluid, and increasing your cycle time. And this time you guys have got an app that I just think is probably the best thing I've seen this year in the industry. It's VIN Scan for estimating. Let's talk about it a little bit, tell the shops how that's going to work for them.
That's right, so this is our latest edition of CCC ONE Mobile. It allows repair facilities to scan the VIN right at the car, brings up all the information about the customer. If the assignment already exists in CCC ONE, that customer information comes right up into the phone. I can then walk around the car, capture additional information about the vehicle, and with the same device, I can take photos of the vehicle right there from my iPhone, and now, as of last week, available on the Android market.
So we're going to be able to do this on the iPhone and Android applications.
Correct.
Now.
That's right.
I think it's just, you know, one of the things that we talk about when we're getting an estimate and a customer comes in, even if we've got that information maybe pushed to us through an assignment, is the capturing of that vehicle information is so critical. It's the parts, it's the repair procedures, it's everything. And so being able to scan that VIN and have that, time-consuming and accuracy. So you've had it out for a little bit with some people experimenting with it.
No, we've had it out since May.
Okay.
We have over 4,000 users now using this on the iPhone, and just since our release last week on Android, 800 users now on Android.
Wow. Yeah. So what's the feedback from shops been with the VIN Scan?
The feedback is awesome. They can't believe how simple it is, and I hear a lot, which I didn't expect to hear, is the professional image that it gives the shop. So when they're out with the customer, the consumer, they're just blown away that the shop has this kind of technology in the palm of their hand, out there scanning their VIN, going around capturing all the information right there on their mobile device without a clipboard or a pad or anything. It's
right.
Great feedback.
I think we're in such a technology-driven world that we expect all aspects of our lives as a consumer to be technology advanced, and when I can go to a repair that has these type of products, and even if I'm comparing it to another repair, maybe I'm looking for a couple estimates, I think that's going to make my shop selection an easy choice for me to make.
Absolutely.
So let's go a little bit about, so the VIN, we can do a VIN from the door,
yeah,
or we can do the VIN from the dash, right?
Right, exactly.
So how simple is this to use? Let's just go through it real quick and show people
it's
how
so
quick
simple.
this is.
I just walk up, I hit new estimate, new opportunity. That pulls up a little barcode reader. I just hold it up to the VIN. It scans it. It just scanned in the VIN. It pulls up all the information about the vehicle. Because this particular VIN's been scanned before, that customer's either been here before or I have an assignment. It now pulls up all the information about the customer themselves. And from there, I can capture that additional information. I hit next. And I can capture additional information like the production date. I can put the amount of fuel that's in the car, the mileage in, all that key information that a lot of times gets missed as I'm out there taking notes and I have to go back in, I forgot something. As an estimator now I have to go back out and write it down again. And as I go through this and hit next again, I can now use the same device to take photos using my iPod, my iPhone, my iPod Touch, or Android device.
Wow, so if I already have the assignment, by scanning the VIN, it's automatically going to match that up?
Right.
So if I'm a large facility and I may be getting 30 to 50 assignments, just alone, key assignments coming into me, and then the customer comes in and I'm like, okay, let me find your assignment, let me match it up. Just instantaneously I'm matched.
Pops right up.
That's got to be a great workflow for the estimators.
It's awesome. So as soon as I take those photos and I hit done, I walk back into my desk, I just open up the work file, and all that information is right there. I just start writing the estimate.
Well, I bet it's, you know, we've got increased workflow, we've got increased accuracy on the appraisal, and we've got increased customer satisfaction in the way that we're presenting ourselves as an industry to the consumer.
Exactly.
But you guys continue to just keep innovating. When the shop asks for a solution, it's there, and to be totally mobile and estimating is what we've all asked for many years, so I appreciate it. We're going to be back a little bit later talking more with CCC about some of the innovations they're going to have this year, getting some shop reactions to the product, and talking to some users that have been on some of these features for several months now and telling you how they've integrated it and how it's improved their workflow. Thanks.